What's up, guys? Welcome back to The Educated Barfly. Today we're going to be making a cocktail called a Strawberry Letter. It was created by bartender Brian Hawthorne at Goodnight Sunny in New York City. And originally he made this as a punch for his grandmother's birthday party, which warmed my little heart. And that's why I wanted to do it for you guys. Also, it is a phenomenally good cocktail. Like, this is the type of cocktail where this dude created this cocktail and then just like drop the mic and walk out of the room. That's how amazingly good it is. So without further ado, let's just get into it, shall we? We're going to do 1 strawberry, put it in our little tinny pants, and then we're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. And before we do anything else, we're going to take a muddler and we're just going to muddle that strawberry and kind of mix it with the simple. Give it a good old muddle. Just muddle it all down. Then what we're going to do is add 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. 3/4 of an ounce of Lillet Rouge, which is going to give this like a nice little bitter aftertaste, this little bitter bite that's just like so good. And then we're going to do 1.5 ounces of gin. Today we're using Plymouth because it is going to go so well. Like, the citrus profile in the Plymouth gin is going to go so well in this cocktail. It just, seriously guys, let me just tell you, this cocktail, this is a game changer. So we're just going to add ice to our tin. And then I'm just going to like pre-do some ice in our glass as well. A couple 3 cubes. And we're just going to add our cocktail. Give it a nice shake. Make sure to lock that tin. All right, now you got to be really careful here because you have a frosted tin, and you get a good seal on these barfly tins. So you got to make sure that you don't hit it so hard that it flies everywhere. It does happen. It's happened to me. We're just going to give it a double strain. You want to double strain it because I don't want to have any of those strawberry seeds in here. We double strain it into our glass. And then we are just going to add a little bit of Prosecco. Oops, and spill it on the thing, and then maybe just suck it up off there because we're alcoholics. And then a little bit of soda water. And we're just going to finish it off with this little mint strawberry flag, like so. Boom, the strawberry letter. I've got my sippy cylinder. Let's have a taste of it. Uh-oh. You want to make sure also that when you put your sippy cylinder near the mint, you want to make sure that it's near there. So then when you're drinking, you're smelling the mint, which is going to inform your taste. Oh my God, so good. Oh yeah, that is good. It's nice and balanced. You get the strawberry, all right, the sweetened strawberry, the strawberry with that simple syrup, and the Lillet is like, perfect flavor buddies. Perfect flavor buddies. It's nice and effervescent. You got the, you got your little citrus pop from your lemon. The gin is in there, and you can taste it. And you know what's great is that the botanicals of the gin sort of devolve into the bitterness of the Lillet, which is pretty gosh darn awesome, I gotta say. And it's just like a perfectly balanced drink. So I said that this drink started its life as a punch. This is a one-off version. Look in the show notes. There is a punch, a batch. There's a batch recipe down there for you guys in case you guys want to make it into a big punch. It is party season. I know you guys are going to be batching some punches. Plus, we are going to be doing some large format stuff more so, I think, this summer because a lot of people have been asking for it. So here you go, my friends. Drink the strawberry letter. Enjoy it. Maybe find Brian Hawthorne on Instagram or wherever he is and thank him. I think that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to grab my phone and I'm going to thank Brian Hawthorne for this amazing cocktail. I will see you guys next time. If you like our channel, please hit like and subscribe. And then on top of that, if you want to help us out, go to patreon.com/theeducatedbarfly and see what all the other people are getting that you are not. All right, guys, until next time, I will see you later.